So one of the things that every line manager, team leader or supervisor in the country has to manage is conflict. Whether that's conflict between staff or a difficult performance management conversation that needs to be had, or an argument over who's working what shift this weekend, all of us have had that experience. But you know, we hardly ever get training to support us in doing that well. A few years ago, I developed a workshop, Conflict Skills for Line Managers, that supports line managers to develop those skills so that they can breeze through conflict situations rather than letting them grow and grow and grow. It's tremendous fun, we nearly always have a good time, and people come away with increased confidence in their abilities to manage those day-to-day situations. I think it's worth considering, and I hope you're going to consider it. Thanks.